Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to Dorian's DIY Audio. So I just got back home from vacation, and while I was on the boat, um, I seen something that appeared to be a pretty good deal, and I grabbed them. So let's check these out here real quick, y'all. So here we have is a pair of two 18-inch Ampere Audio 18s. I think they call them the 2.5 or 2.75, whatever. I got them in dual 2 ohms. If you guys don't know about these are a smoking deal. If you can get your hands on them, they only have them right now in 18s and 15s. I think they were marked for like 225 a piece, so I grabbed 2 of them. We'll get around to doing an open box on them pretty soon, but just quickly for you guys, give you a little something. I've been away for a minute, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some of these videos pressed up for you guys and get them slung out to y'all so we can start having fun again. All right, y'all, we'll get back soon. Peace.